Hey everybody, how are you? Today I wanted to talk to you about a macro that I use every day. It's called the Ramadan macro. Basically, because it is during the month of Ramadan, I created this macro to use and listen to every day when it's time to break fast. So I use it to um, basically remind myself of the breaking fast prayer, not breaking bad, breaking fast prayer. So today I'm gonna build it with you using an action called open file on using keyboard Maestro. All right, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna open the keyboard Maestro editor. And then we are going to create a new macro. Let's do it here in the YouTube videos macro. And here I have it started, but we're gonna redo it again. I just have it named already. Okay, and then we're gonna change the trigger, and we're gonna say it's command or option shift command and control with the letter, oh let's see, I'm having a hard time with this because I don't remember what key hotkey is still open. So we're gonna give it an N for the end of the word Ramadan. And then we're gonna delete this, but we're gonna show you how to get it. So I'm gonna delete this action and then put it in again by searching for open. And here it is. It's open a file, folder, or application. So this is the one I'm going to choose. And then my videos by default play using VLC, the application, but you can select whatever application video player you would like to use. So instead of having the default application here, I like to put specify VLC. So that's what I'm going to do. And let's see if it's in the recent. Yes, it is. Here we go. And then now we're going to select the file that it's going to play. I'm going to go to the desktop. And I'm going to select the file. And this is just a video that it plays that has the Ramadan breaking fast prayer on it. So now we've given it a trigger, we've given it the file, and we've named the application that we want to play the file with. And that's all there is to it. So now I'm going to confirm the macro and get out of the editor. There it is. Now we're going to close the editor. And then again, it's command and it's caps lock N, basically, is that hotkey. Alright, let's try it. There it is. I stopped the video right away because I don't want to get into any trouble with YouTube regarding copyrights. So, as you can see, VLC was triggered and it started playing the video. I use this macro every day because it is the holy month of Ramadan right now. But anyway, it's a action that you can use in macro. You can use to play any video that you use frequently or watch frequently. Anyway, hope you like this quick keyboard Maestro automation. Let me know in the comments below what other types of automation you'd like to see. What other types of videos. Comment, subscribe, and do all those things that YouTubers tell you to do. Alright guys, thanks. I'll see you in the next video.